Hi, my name's Sham, and today we are here showing you one of the newest holiday homes to hit our Bowleaze showground. This holiday home is called the Swift Loire, and there's one thing I love about this holiday home. It's a 36 foot by 12 and it's 3-bedroom. The reason why I love this size so much is it gives you a lot more access to more of our pitches on this park. As you walk into the holiday home, you can see this light, airy space where you've got your kitchen, dining room, and your living space. The light colours make this really easy to personalise yourself and how you want it. In this holiday home, we still have a pull-out sofa bed, so it can sleep a maximum of 8 people. And you can see over here, you've got more storage and this really nice feature wall for your TV. You also have this really cozy dining area with 2 additional stools. And you can see here your full-size fridge freezer just by the door. You also have this door that can shut off the back end to the front end. So if you decide to go to bed a little bit earlier and somebody wanted to stay up watching a bit of extra TV, you've got that really nice divide. As you come into the hallway, the first door on your left is the first twin room. And one of my favorite features about this room is that you've got this overhead storage so well placed. And a lot of holiday homes don't always have that overhead storage. Your next door is to your right, and that is where you have your main bathroom with the toilet and the wash hand basin. Your next door on the left, you have your second twin room, and this room mirrors the first twin. A lot of our 3-bedroom holiday homes that have this configuration with an ensuite toilet and wash hand basin are usually around 38, if not 40 feet in length. So this 36 foot by 12 really stands out. So like I said, this holiday home is on our showground now, and I highly recommend you come and view this in the flesh. So give us a call on 01305 836 836 or click the link below and book your experience day now.